Fish and chips and peas for me, my lad. I've come to a different chippy because I'm in Yeovil. And I've got a couple of cherry bakewells for later. I've got a couple of cherry bakewells for later. Yeah. Right. Oh, lovely. Looking a bit tight on the fish, aren't they? Yeah. I got chips separate. Yeah, chips, fish and chips. Mmm. Chips are nice. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, chips are nice. Mm. Mushy peas. That's how I like the mushy peas. Mmm. Look. That's how I like the mushy peas. Oh yes. Oh yes. Mm. That's what I call nice. Actually, this is not a bad chip shop actually. Mm. I brought my own salt. Yeah. Yeah, I bought my own salt. Sea salt's good for you. So I've got that. And I bought my own vinegar. Yeah. Lovely. And I bought some butter. And I got a fresh loaf of bread. I have a chip butty, can't I? Oh, lovely. This is salt and vinegar chips. Mmm. Oh, lovely. I thought I'll have a picnic in the car. Mmm. No. I'll tell you what. That's fish and peas. Oh, I love the peas like this. Proper mushy peas. Right. I forgot to bring my own fork. I've got some butter and I've got a knife. And on the way I got myself a nice little small batch of loaf. So chip butty for me, my lad. Yeah. Can't beat a chip butty. Let's have a fresh slice. Oh, this bread's nice and fresh. No, it's going to be fresh. Oh, look at these peas. Yeah, man. Yeah, I bought some butter. Yeah. Have a chip butty, can't I? I can, can't I? Lovely. put some chips on here. Oh, these chips are lush, mate. Mmm. Mmm. A chip butty for me, my lad. Yeah. Okay, nice chips these are. Okay, lovely. I'm on a right good picnic. A chip butty for me, my lad. Now I don't have fizzy pop. I must use my knife. Peas are nice, man. No cooking today for me, my lad. Oh, even if I don't eat fish, I still stink of fish. Why should other people have fish and chips and I can't? I want to be normal. See, I wake up every day pretending to be normal. I wake up and pretend I haven't got fish odor syndrome. I'd like to pretend I haven't got it. Well, I know I have. But I don't want to sit here dwelling on it, do I? Actually, the fish is quite big, actually. This will make my condition worse, but I'm going to stay in tomorrow. I have to sacrifice a day. No, I'm trying to live my life as normal as everybody else. I want to be like you, normal. I want to be like you, who, yeah. So I wake up every morning and pretend I'm normal. Because if I think about my condition, it gets me down. It gets me down. If you're new to my channel, well, I was born with TMAU. fish odour syndrome. Some people smell it, some people can't. I was diagnosed by Sheffield University in 2005. One day I smell of fish, and one day I smell of shit. I've got to accept my life, haven't I? When I met Katie once, she said my fish were coming on strong. Because I've got a hidden disability, nobody wants to go out with me. I mean, I'm not being funny. Why would you want to go out with me when I stink of fish one day and shit another day? When you can go out with a normal person, what doesn't smell? Don't know what I mean? I've got to accept my life, haven't I? But when I wake up in the morning, I try and be like you, a normal person. But I get on with life. I wake up. Don't forget, most mornings I wake up nice and cheerful and positive because I appreciate what I got in life. Yeah. There's always somebody worse off than you. So having fish odour syndrome, it's not easy to live with. But why should other people have fish and chips and I can't? I want to be like everybody else. I want to try and fit in. Yeah. I tell you what, this fish and chips is nice, man. I've enjoyed it. Mm. Mm. There's no cooking. See, you have to eat once a day. Only Kellogg's say you eat 3 a day. They want you to get fat. I don't have cereals anymore. Sometimes I have Weetabix now and then. Right? Even the monks only eat once a day. I tell you what, it's, it's actually good, man. I'm actually going to ring them up and say your fish and chips were lovely. Mm. Normally, I go to the Abbey Fryer, but today I'm in Yeovil. Right? I'm in Yeovil and I'm hungry. Mm. Now I'm going to go around in a minute and say to them, "Do your fish and mate was bang on, fucking lovely." Send them positive vibes because if I pay them a compliment, it cheers them up. Mm. 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 Fucking delicious, this is. Mm. Shall I have another? Shall I have another? Let's have another slice. Slice of dice. No pot washing for me today, my lad. No pot washing. Got some bread and butter. Yeah, shit butty for me, my lad. This is delicious. Mm. Mm. This is delicious. Mm. No, I'm going to pay him a compliment. Because I'm stuffed. Mm. I'll tell you what. I've enjoyed my fish and chips today. There's no cooking today, my lad. And I'm not washing no pots either. Mm. I'll tell you what. Mm. That was delicious. Yeah, I'm going to pay him a nice. I'm going to send positive vibes out. Because I'm a positive person. I'll tell you what. That was delicious. It was, mate. Every day we above ground's a great day, my lad. Yeah. No pot washing for me, my lad. Yeah, no pot washing. Fucking lovely that was. I enjoyed that. Mm. I'll save this bread for tomorrow. Have some bacon butties tomorrow. Got racing on the telly. We got racing on the telly. Grand National next week, but I can't bet on it because the bookies are shut. I'll tell you what, that were beautiful. That was fine dining. That is the finest dining you can ever have. Looks like fucking Bill Gates in that car. Yeah, let me go and pay a compliment. compliment. I want to send positive vibes. Yeah. Lovely it was. Yeah, lovely. Oh mate, thanks for that. Lovely chips and fish. It's the best fish and chips I've had for a long time. So thank you very much for giving me nice fish and chips. Oh. Yeah. That's the way I tell them. That's the way I tell them. Yeah, I paid them a nice compliment. Well, we'll just had nice fish and chips. Positive vibes all the way. Yeah, get in there, lad. You get in there. Positive vibes all the way. That was delicious. I can't believe it. Yeah. See, I've made them happy now, you see. There was a queue, people queuing up for fish and chips. So I've just made other people think, oh, the guy just come and said they had lovely fish and chips. See, positive vibes all the way. I'll see you a lot later. All have a nice day. Every day we above ground's a great day, Marley.